Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to load your tuner and your files on your tuner, such as the Bama Performance X4, etc. So what you're going to first do is when you order it, you're going to have to fill out a form. Once you fill out the form and tell them what octane you want and the mod you have on the car, etc., you will actually download the software. And then once you download the software, you're still going to wait until they send the custom tunes through the email. But you might as well go ahead and have all this all set up anyway. If you already have the tuner, you can't really do anything until you have the tuner, at least. But once you got the tuner, you download the software, and the form's already been filled out, and all that fun stuff. They'll send you an email, and it looks something like this right here. And it says, your custom tunes are ready and attached for here, transfer onto device. And as you see, 93 octane. And then down here, you have my 87 Ghost Cam and my 93 Popcorn tune. And what you're going to do from there is, once you finally get the email from them, it usually takes like 3 or 4 or 5 days, not too long, you'll have a thing that looks like that right there, device updater. That will be your software that you needed to tune for your tuner to load to your files. And when you open it, it looks like this. And then what you're going to do from there is, you should have a USB cable type thing for your tuner in the box, and it looks like this. You plug it into your PC, and what you're going to do is you're going to plug it right there in the bottom part of the tuner. So let's go ahead and do that now, and then it loads up, and it looks like that. And then what you'll do is you go to load custom tune files. And then right here, it should pop up like this, and you should browse. I'm sorry. Locate the custom tunes, and then it should pop up once you download it to your computer. You click it, you select that, and then it'll show up right there. And then what you do from there, you click it again, and you hit add to device, and which I've already have it on my device, so I don't need to do that. So what you do is you do it like that. And then once it's already on your device and whatnot, and it's already been programmed, and it should show like a little downloader thing going through the process, and all that fun stuff. And then after that point, you should be done pretty much with the tuning, switching the tunes to your device. At that point, what you go to your car, you plug it to the OBD2 scanner, and then you'd basically just hit program vehicle and do all that stuff right there and go through the steps like it says on the screen. And that's basically all it is to it. I mean, this is the first time I've ever had a tuner on any car, and it wasn't really that complex. It was actually pretty self-explanatory for the most part. It's just mostly just waiting for the tune files to come in the mail, and that's the fun part, the waiting game. But it didn't take too long. And again, I paid $400 for this Bama Performance X4 from AmericanMuscle.com. Not a bad device. I mean, it's actually really good for the money, considering most tuners cost like $800 and plus for, you know, high-end ones. This one's pretty high-end itself. I mean, it's more budget-friendly, but it's definitely worth the money if you plan on modding your Mustang or Camaro, Charger, etc. But this one in particular was meant for the 2010 to 2014 Mustangs. But this is about it. I mean, there's not much else to it, and if you do have problems even after that, you can easily go onto their website, and it shows you step by step on what you need to do if you ever do have problems. But I think most people shouldn't really have any issues with this. The main issue is you have to have a computer. I mean, you can't do it on their mobile phone and stuff like that, which does suck, but it does make a lot of sense at the same time. So that'll be the end of this video.